Okay, welcome back to the Traffic Masters Academy. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your first website conversion ad. So I want to give you a little bit of details on what that means exactly. As you can see, we've gone through a lot of videos. We're starting to get more advanced. So if you're not ready for this part, please do not go any further. You can go through and observe it, but don't feel like that you need to figure out how to create your first website conversion ad, or you feel like that you need to do this part. Everything that I've shown you up till now is completely fine. You can still make sales, you can still generate leads. This just starts getting more advanced. Now, a website conversion ad is something that you're going to want to do if you want to start tracking better, meaning you want to track how many leads you've made or you've generated, how many sales you've made, how many people went to the checkout cart. There's a lot of different website conversion ads that you can actually create, and I'm going to show you that now. All right, so the first thing that you're going to have to do is you're going to need to go to your Facebook Ads Manager. By now, you know how to get there. And over here on the left, you're going to see something that says Conversion Tracking. You're going to click on that option because we need to set up that conversion tracking pixel. Now, what does that mean exactly? If you have a website where you can actually go in and insert a pixel on that website, that typically means you need to own the website, or you're using a third-party software program out there like Leadpages, which is something that I use. If I actually log in here, I can show you an example of it. So I use Leadpages. There's a bunch of other programs out there. Or if you are one of those people that know how to create your own squeeze or capture pages, then this would be for you. Now, this is not for the people that are promoting, let's just say, an affiliate link, and you're grabbing your link from the owner of that product, because you're not going to be able to customize those capture pages as far as inserting a conversion tracking pixel. Some will allow you to do that, but that's something I can't answer for. You're going to have to check with the person who owns that program. So for the most part, this is for those of you that have control over your websites and you can insert these tracking pixels. So the first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to click on something over here to the right called Create a Pixel. And then you need to decide, what are we wanting to track here? So when you create an ad, are you wanting to track checkouts? Are you wanting to track how many people are registering, meaning they filled in their information to register for something? Most of you are wanting to track how many leads you're getting from a particular ad. So I'm going to show you how to do that. There's key page views. Maybe you just want to see how many people are viewing your capture page. Maybe you need to see how many people are adding it to the cart. And then there's other website conversions. But for this video, we're going to focus on leads, because most of you are wanting to see how many leads that you're going to generate from your ad. And there are other third-party software programs out there. I use one called TrackMe. I can track how many leads I can get from that program. You can use all kinds of other third-party tracking programs, but this one's a little bit different because we're going to create an ad based around a website conversion. So let's go in here and just create this one for leads. And let's just say I'm going to call this test, and I'm going to say we're doing this for my MOB website. And then we're going to create that pixel. So what you're going to want to do is choose leads, name it for you. So it's your reference. So you basically know what this is for. And we're going to create the pixel. Now from here, you're going to get information where it says copy the code and paste it between the head and head in the web page where you want to track conversions. Now, if you are going to track leads, you don't put the tracking pixel on the capture page. You need to put it on the thank you page. So when somebody opts in, then it goes to the thank you page, and that's going to trigger this pixel, so you're going to know that you actually got a lead. A lot of people make the mistake of putting this code on their capture page, and then what happens is Facebook is showing, because that pixel keeps getting hit when somebody goes to that capture page, they're showing it as a lead, and it's not a lead. It's just somebody has hit the page. So you want to actually track leads. So that means we need this conversion tracking pixel put on the page after somebody opts in. So it's typically a thank you page. All right. So, or the page that they go to after they opt in. And again, you've got to know HTML, or you have to outsource this, and you're going to have to put this on your own page. So you can see right now that there's a problem if you're part of a program that you're promoting it as an affiliate and they don't allow you to put this tag into their capture pages. You're not going to be able to do this type of ad. So then from there, what you're going to want to do is you're just going to click close, and you're going to see it down here. Notice it says test MOB, and right now it's unverified. But if I put that pixel on that page like I have in these other ones here, like my MLSP page, my leads for my top tier business, it's already active. So it shows that this pixel is installed and it is working. These are some inactive ones right now. It's just because I've taken the pixel off of that page. So if for some reason you need to rename that pixel, you can click this pencil button here and rename it. You can email the conversion tracking pixel to somebody if you need them to insert that for you. If you need to view that code again, you certainly can. You click this little gear button to get your code again and put that on the page that you're needing to put it on. And then from there, you're going to want to create an ad. So this is where we're going to come in and we're going to click on create an ad. And now it's going to open up a website conversions option, and it'll show you, if you didn't get to it this way, it'll show you an option that says website conversion. You're going to want to pick that. From there, you need to insert the URL of the page that you have that tracking pixel inserted on. So let's just assume that it happens to be this page right here. So I'm going to go back to my ad manager and I'm going to paste it right here. And you're going to wait for it to load up, and there it is, okay? So it already knows, because I clicked on that tracking pixel from the couple of screens ago. I said create an ad. It already knows to choose this pixel that I created. But if for some reason that's not the pixel that you're wanting to use, you'll be able to see your other pixels down here. And notice I just did the test MOB. It's not verified. So if you get to this a different way and you have the option to select the pixel, here's where you would do that. So this means that this pixel that I just created is on this page. So all I'm doing here is I'm going through the process that I've shown you in the past videos on how to create an ad. So again, you can upload 6 different images. Make sure that they're the right size. They give you the recommended pixel size. You know how to do all this. You know how to browse your library, find images, and reposition them. From there, if you want to run these ads in the desktop of your newsfeed, I definitely suggest that you need to pick your fan page. So I would come down here and I would choose my fan page. And again, this is very similar to what we did earlier when you were doing a clicks to website ad. It's the same process. You've got to write yourself a really good headline here. You need to go ahead and get a description in here up to 90 characters. Think about your targeted audience. Who are you targeting? Speak to them in the headline. Ask them a question. In your description here, you need to write your description and speak to your audience and let them know what they're going to get if they click on this link. Speak to audience. All right? So you can see the description's going to go up here. The headline is going to go right here. Then what you want to do is you want to click on Show Advanced Options. And then also go ahead and choose your call to action button here. So in this case, are they shopping now? No, they're not shopping now on this type of ad because I'm promoting a free video. Are they going to book now? Nope, not in this situation because I'm not doing something where they book an appointment. Do they need to learn more now? Probably so, because I'm offering a free video. Sign up now. Maybe I'm offering a webinar in this one and I need them to sign up right now, or maybe download a PDF or ebook. Just pick the button that matches your type of ad. So in this situation, it makes sense to click Learn More. Then you're going to add your news feed, link, description. What is this about? And you're going to see that it's all going to be put down below the headline. So you've got this text up here. This is going to catch the people's attention in the news feed. This is going to give them a little bit more information about what, I'm spelling this wrong, about what this is about, why they should learn more. Add in a call to action to click the Learn More button. And then obviously you have the headline here that shows up right there. Same process, remove it from the mobile news feed, remove it from the right-hand side. I've gone over this in the first couple of videos, why we do this. Then from there, it's everything else that we've discussed. This is all redundant. Create your audience. Just create your audience from here, okay? Now, if this is a type of ad that you want to target your own fans on because you've generated some you've built a fan base, you would want to click on Advanced Connection Targeting and then come in here and include the people that are connected to your fan page. I wouldn't do both. I wouldn't do an interest here, and I wouldn't choose to also target my fan page in this situation. So you would create two separate ads. If you choose not to target your fans of your fan page, then you create your audience here. Who, what type of person? Maybe these people are interested in Gary. All right, I want to target all the people interested in Gary Vaynerchuk that live in the United States, that are over the age of 31. They're all men and women, and connections, anybody, just target anyone. I've got 190,000 potential reach. As you can see, this is the details of my audience on who I'm targeting with this ad. This is just basically a recap of what we've been doing in the past videos. It's the same process. Come in here, go ahead and give your ad set a name, decide the budget you want to spend, and right here, make sure that you don't choose optimize for clicks or optimize for impressions. You are optimizing for website conversions. What does that mean? They are optimizing. Facebook is optimizing your bid to get you what? More leads, because we created a lead conversion pixel. Had you have created a registration pixel when we chose that option in the very beginning, this would be optimizing to get you more registrations. Maybe you chose, to get this an add to cart. This ad would be optimized to get you more add to carts. So that's what this is about. Make sure that you choose optimize for website and conversions, because Facebook will go out there and use their algorithm and help you target the right audience to get you more lead conversions, as in this example, where we created a lead conversion tracking pixel and we inserted it on our own capture page. So this was really simple, definitely more advanced. You would just place that order. Once you place that order, you would create a similar ad. Don't forget to come back up here, add it to the mobile newsfeed, remove it from the desktop computer, come down, leave everything else the same, place the order. Once you place the order, you'll choose create a similar ad. You will come up here and add it to the right-hand column, remove it from the mobile newsfeed, place the order, and now you have 3 website conversion ads that are optimized to get you more leads, one running in the desktop newsfeed, one running in the mobile newsfeed, and one running on the right-hand column. And that's how you set up a website conversion ad. Hope you enjoyed this training. We're going to get even more advanced, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.